In a world where many seek abundance, prosperity, and health, a sacred word awaits to transform lives. Effata, a profound term given by Jesus during the awakening of Lazarus, opens doors to divine possibilities. Few know of its power, which has only recently been unveiled, yet its implications resonate deeply within the scriptures, urging us to embrace its essence. Each morning as the sun rises, utter Effata with intention, welcoming a life of abundance. With each application of this word throughout your day, visualize doors swinging open, inviting richness and vibrant health into your existence. Incorporate it into your thoughts and actions, letting the sacred energy flow through you, creating a ripple effect that touches those around you. As the day winds down and the stars begin to twinkle overhead, reflect on the blessings that Effata has ushered into your life. In the stillness, know that this sacred word is a key, unlocking hidden treasures beneath the surface of everyday life, waiting to be discovered.